Okay, today's assignment's real easy. It's identifying exponential, linear, and quadratic graphs. So, linear is just a straight line. Quadratic is a parabola that either opens up or down. And exponential either curves up or curves down. If it curves up, it's a growth. If it curves down, it's a decay. So, there's two types of problems. You're going to be given a set of points, or you're going to be given a chart, and you got to graph the points. And then you just got to look at the graph to say which one of these three it is. So, if we plot -1, -1/2, 0, -3/2 is -1.5, 1 over 1/2 down, 2 over 5/2 is 2.5. So if you were to connect these, what's that going to make? Quadratic. Now remember, these aren't all the points, it's just a few of the points. So looking at the pattern, it would probably keep going this way and probably keep going that way.
Nike.
Yep. So -2 and 5/2 is 2.5. -1, 1. 0, -1/2. And 1, -2. What does that look like?
Linear.
Linear. If you connect them, they're not always going to be perfectly straight. It's just if they look like they're pretty straight, then it's linear. Same thing, it's not always going to make a perfect curve, but you can tell if it's going to be a parabola. So for this one, -1 5/4 is 1.25. 0 and 5/8. 1 and 5/16. 2 and 5/32.
Exponential.
Right, this one has got it looks like it's going like that.
That'd be decay.
That'd be a decay. So you just call it exponential.
Easy.
Okay, then the ones where they give you a table.
Do we have to graph them too?
Yep.
Oh boy, I love graphing.
I hate graphing. I'm starting to hate dots and lines now. And numbers. I've always hated.
Kylie, are you looking for a tallies or
Good.
I think we had like 20. It still was.
You will not. You will not.
If it's chasing a line, do you say it on the outside? Or like it's chasing this way to the line, do you say it on the outside then?
Yep, since y is greater. No. You go to the vertex. If it's less, you go down. If it's greater,
What? Was it recording?
since y is greater, you go up.
I think I'm after golf. I'm gonna go do some homework in the library, and then I'm
Okay,
gonna go.
when you
weightlifting
got
with
bigger
Sherry and
numbers like
Chris.
this is how fast a car or something, its feet per second, and how long it takes for them to stop. So obviously the faster you're going, the longer it takes you to stop.
Yep.
304.
So if you were to graph this, it's all positive, so you wouldn't need any negative quadrants.
Those are really
And we could go by, maybe by 20s.
Wow.
Hendrickson, you got talent. Those are really straight lines.
All right.
Become an algebra teacher.
And then this one I'll maybe go by 40s.
Why is she laughing?
Okay, so when you plot these, 37, you just got to estimate. 45 up would be right about there. 51, right in between would be 50, between 40 and 60. And 86 up. 66, they're 70, so it'd be a little less. And 144, 81 and 217, and
217
96 and 304.
Wouldn't 217 be lower? Alright, never mind.
So, what would you say?
Exponential.
Exponential, it's got a bit of a curve in it.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all it is today, is just graphing. It's either going to be a set of coordinates or a table, and you got to graph them and say, is it linear, exponential, or quadratic?
Once it has